This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting up the single method, the wrap and fold technique. Measure the book height and width, then add 2-3 cm all around for overlap. Mark lines with a pencil. Cut the transparent film straight using a ruler and sharp scissors. Once done, align the film so the spine center matches the book center. Make sure the film's glossy side faces outward. This gives you precise margins and spare material to fold into neat edges before final adhesion. You now wrap the film over the spine, working from the center outward to avoid tension. Fold the film onto the front and back covers, keeping the 2-3 cm flaps loose. Secure each flap temporarily with short tape strips at the inner margins. Once positioned, use a flat card or squeegee to press film toward the outer edges, pushing any air pockets out. Make sure to move slowly and apply steady pressure. This prevents wrinkles and creates an even, transparent finish over the cover. Finish by trimming excess film so 5-7 mm remains for tidy corner folds. Cut small diagonal notches at each corner to reduce bulk. Fold each corner neatly inward, tuck the flap into the inner cover seam, and secure with tape if needed. Then press all edges firmly and run the flat card along the spine again. If you find a bubble or loose edge, lift only that section, re-smooth, and reseal. If adhesion fails repeatedly, replace the film and repeat the same steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.